Welcome to the most beautiful wetland of Salivita, Kissimmee, Florida, where nature thrives in every direction. Among the state's most iconic birds are the graceful great blue heron and the elegant sandhill crane, each playing an important role in this rich ecosystem. Sharing these wetlands is the sandhill crane, one of Florida's most recognizable birds. With its tall gray body and the bright red crown, the crane is known for its loud rolling call that echoes across open marshes. Unlike the heron, the sandhill crane is an omnivore, feeding on seeds, insects, berries, small reptiles, and occasionally frogs. These birds are often seen in pairs or family groups, and their remarkable courtship dances, filled with bows, jumps, and wings displays, are among the most fascinating sights in the wild. The great blue heron is a patient hunter. Standing motionless along the water's edge, it waits for the perfect moment to strike. With lightning fast precision, it catches fish, frogs, and other small aquatic animals. Its long legs allow it to wade through shallow waters, while its impressive wings carry it effortlessly across lakes, marshes, and coastal estuaries. Florida's wetlands provide essential habitat for both species. These ecosystems filter water, reduce flooding, and support an incredible diversity of wildlife, from turtles and alligators to countless fish, insects, and migratory birds. Every plant and animal contributes to the balance of this unique environment. Observing this magnificent bird reminds us of the importance of protecting natural habitats. By conserving wetlands, we help ensure that future generations can continue to experience the beauty and diversity of Florida's wildlife. Herons and cranes are important members of Florida ecosystem. They help maintain healthy populations of fish, insects, and other small animals, while others serving as indicators of healthy wetlands habitats. Their presence reflects the rich biodiversity of Florida marshes, swamps, lakes, and coastal environments, making them some of the state's most recognizable and admired wildlife. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to appreciate and protect the amazing wildlife that makes Florida one of the world's most remarkable natural destinations.